Morning. Well, thought I'd do my first little vloggy bit. It's sunny and the shades are because we've just had some new decking put down. Well, it's not quite finished yet. And it's blinding. It really is very bright. Big day. About 3 or 4 days ago, I found out what the date was for the collection or delivery of my Caterham. The journey started back in September in 2020, which, for the record, it's a pretty horrible year. We had the coronavirus, and lots of the world was in lockdown, trying to cope with a very persistent virus. But the UK is coming out of lockdown now. We're about 38 million people have had one vaccine, and I think 10 million have had two. So there's some light at the end of the tunnel. But last week I had the news that my car was due to be delivered kit form on the 14th, Monday the 14th of June 2021. I suppose I could take them off now, couldn't I? It's going to be in here, which has been my little special garage location ready to go. You can see it already has an occupant, but that will be not here for the period of my build, which I'm hoping takes me around 5-6 months. I'm not going to rush. I'm not going to try and set any targets. I'm not even going to diarise it particularly because I have no experience of building a car. I don't want to put any pressure on myself. It's a complete hobby. I want to learn a little bit more about how I can cope with stress when things don't go my way, which is a problem, I suppose. Oh, not a problem. One of the side effects, I think, of doing the project. So what you're looking at on the floor then is a couple of kind of kitchen surfaces with some battens underneath it because my dad's going to come over in a couple of weeks and help me to build a bench here that will go all the way along over the top of the car. And then I'll get a working surface and a storage surface as well, because one of the side things in this garage is my little brewery. So I have a brewing thing going on, but I'm going to build a car here in this double space. And I just can't wait. I'm getting too excited. The blog, whatever it is going to serve two purposes. One is for me. I don't have a very good memory. So when I do something on the car, I'm going to want to look back maybe and work out how I did it when I have to pull it apart months later or whatever. So it's more of a record, a memory for me. I want to look back at it when I'm older, like I did do with the racing videos, and be able to actually reflect on what I did. So partly it's for me, but I say primarily it's for me. Secondarily, I've watched lots and lots of YouTube videos of other people doing vlogs and blogs, and I've realised how much I have enjoyed them and how much they help me to understand how to do these things. So maybe part way along that, I'll give something back and do some more in-depth videos, or actually get and look at the details and see it from my eyes. So that's the plan. I'm looking forward to it.